The Hanging Gardens of Babylon is associated with which of the following ancient cultures? Answer is B. Mesopotamian. What is the product of the mass of a body and its velocity called as? Answer is B. Linear momentum. Pun Kolam is a folk dance of which state? Answer is C. Manipur. 1984 was written by. Answer is A. George Orwell. Indian states have been constituted on the basis of. Answer is B. Language. The crops grown in the summer monsoon season are called. Answer is B. Kharif. The metal that float on water is. Answer is D. Potassium. Keenan Stadium is in. Answer is A. Jamshedpur. The oldest large-scale industry of India was in the field of. Answer is C. Cotton and textile. Which among the following is the largest glacier? Answer is B. Siachen. Covishield, the first vaccine for COVID-19 is manufactured by which company? Answer is B. Serum Institute of India. Who was the last king of the Mughal Empire in India? Answer is D. Bahadur Shah II. What is the chemical name of baking powder? Answer is C. Sodium bicarbonate. Who was the first ever indigenous female chief secretary of Meghalaya? Answer is A. Rebecca V. Suchiang. Which instrument is used to measure the depth of water? Answer is A. Fathometer. Basalt is an example of. Answer is B. Igneous rock. Which state hosted the second edition of Northeast Olympic Games in 2022? Answer is B. Meghalaya. What fraction of human blood is plasma? Answer is D. 55%. Who is the author of the book titled Cyber Encounters? Answer is A. Ashok Kumar. Green Book contains. Answer is C. The list of rare plants grown in botanical garden. Golf player Vijay Singh belongs to which country? Answer is B. Fiji. The ratio of width of our national flag to its length is. Answer is B. 2:3. The maximum greenhouse gas is released by which country? Answer is C. China. When was the G20 Space Economy Leaders Meeting, SELM, held in Shillong? Answer is B. 17th and the 18th of April 2023. Moscow is situated in the bank of the river. Answer is A. Moskva. following invented the smallpox vaccine? Answer is B. Edward Jenner. B.C. Roy Award is given in the field of. Answer is C. Medicine. Who has the authority to proclaim emergency in the states? Answer is A. The President. Who among the following was the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly of India? Answer is A. Dr. B. N. Rao. In terms of areas, which is the smallest continent? Answer is C. Australia.